Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram challenge required error. So if Instagram keeps showing the challenge required message and won't let you use your account normally, then just follow along. First, close the Instagram app completely and then reopen it. Then next, you need to make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, and if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. And if you're using a VPN or a proxy service, then temporarily disable it, since Instagram may trigger this error when it detects unusual login activity. Now, next thing you can do is update your Instagram to the latest version from the App Store. And if the error appears after logging in, then complete any security verification that Instagram asks. You should also avoid repeatedly logging in and out or using automation tools, since these activities can trigger Instagram's security system. So that was how to fix Instagram challenge required error. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.